Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hassan, and our assignment lab 3 is write a constant expression that divide minus 10 by 3. So first of all, we check that how can we divide minus 10 by 3. So here is some graphical expression that how can we divide it. So whenever we divide a negative number by a positive number, we get a quotient which is negative, and the remainder can be negative or can be 0. So we have to code it in assembly language. Here is some boiler template. First of all, we use move command move, and where we have to move it to EAX. Okay. First of all, we move 0 to our register 1. Similarly, we will use the second register for remainder. So we also move EVX. We move 0 to EVX. Now our first task is to get quotient. So how we will get quotient is MOV EAX, and our question is minus 10 divided by 3. So by this we will get a quotient. Quotient. And our second thing we have to find is to find mod. So EBX we will move as we know that in our question we have minus 10, but here I did it with 10. Why? Because I have tried it before and I get some errors and I'm not getting the exact answer. So what we will do, I will do that whenever I get remainder, it will always be negative or in 0. So here I can multiply it with minus 1, which is a best way. So I have to run the code. So here we get answer of our quotient as FFFFD and EBX. There we store our remainder is FFFFF. So it is a hexadecimal value. Let we check that it is hexadecimal or not. Quotient will be minus 3. So here we have exact answer, and for remainder which is minus 1, yes, our answers are correct. Okay, so according to question, our second part is cleared.